Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. You will see very beautiful crochet jewelry accessories. Crochet jewelry accessories are a beautiful blend of creativity, tradition and modern fashion, made with fine yarn, cotton thread or metallic fiber. These handmade pieces add a soft yet stylish touch to any outfit. Crochet jewelry is light in weight, comfortable to wear, and full of delicate details that make each piece truly special. This type of jewelry includes crochet rings, necklaces, bracelets, rings, anklets, brooches, and hair accessories. Every item is carefully handcrafted using simple tools and artistic techniques. The small stitches and patterns create designs, elegant textures that cannot be made jewelry. Each piece reflects patience, love, and skilled craftsmanship. One of the most beautiful qualities of crochet jewelry is its versatility. It can be designed in minimal styles for daily wear or in bold, decorative designs for parties, weddings, and festive occasions. Crochet jewelry looks perfect with both Western and traditional outfits. It can easily match casual dresses, ethnic wear, boho styles, and even formal looks. Crochet jewelry accessories are also eco-friendly and skin-friendly. Natural cotton yarns are soft and safe for sensitive skin. These accessories are a great alternative to heavy metal jewelry, especially for people who prefer lightweight and comfortable fashion. The yarn, colors, beads, pearls, shells, and charms used in crochet jewelry can be customized to create endless design possibilities. Another special feature of crochet jewelry is its handmade charm. No two pieces are exactly the same, but which makes each accessory unique. Crochet jewelry also allows creative freedom, as artists can make different colors, textures, and decorative elements to create personal and meaningful designs. Crochet jewelry accessories are perfect for gifting. They are thoughtful, artistic, and full of handmade love. Whether it is a birthday, festival, bridal shower, or a special occasion, crochet jewelry makes a memorable and a stylish gift. More than just accessories, crochet jewelry represents slow fashion and sustainable creativity. It encourages appreciation for handmade work and supports small artisans. Crochet jewelry accessories are not only beautiful to wear but also meaningful to own. So guys, I really hope you will like all the ideas that I shared with you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.